My name's Chris DiGiulio. I'm a certified thermographer in optical gas imaging. Today we'll be imaging a gas-fired power plant. We're going to start in the visible mode. You will see steam rising. When I switch to thermography, you're going to see the heat of the stacks in white, and you will also see what looks like smoke, but is actually heat source plus uncombusted hydrocarbons versus the steam to the left. And now you can see the plume of these hydrocarbons. The difference between steam and hydrocarbons in the high sensitivity mode, which I'm in, is how it dissipates. So I've shown you steam and hydrocarbons. And as you continue to watch this video, just make sure that you are understanding there are two different heat sources, one being steam and the other are the heated hydrocarbons, yet this camera can see when they are being released as emissions uncombusted, meaning not fully burnt. That means they're being released into the atmosphere, and that's why we see the cloud. The clouds will dissipate differently when it's steam versus hydrocarbons that are heated. This is the CPV Towantic Energy Center. Behind this facility is the Enbridge compressor station. In a small area, we have two major emission sources. When we are dealing with permitting of facilities, they are typically permitting these facilities independently without addressing the cumulative impacts in an area or a community, because both of these facilities are emitting hydrocarbons or volatile organic chemicals, which are known to cause health impacts. And as we watch this video, we're watching plumes of hydrocarbons being released into the atmosphere. While I could not image the Enbridge compressor station, I have imaged several compressor stations, and they absolutely do both show uncombusted hydrocarbons being released into the atmosphere. Having two facilities in one space impacts a community, but is not seen as cumulative impacts when we deal with the permitting process as it stands. This is evidence showing the release of hydrocarbons into our atmosphere, the air we breathe. While I cannot say exactly what hydrocarbons are being released, it can be anything from benzene to methane. And in regards to public health, none of them should be in our air. As well as dealing with today's science of climate change, methane is a much worse accelerator of climate change. So having this type of a facility and expanding any of these facilities is very dangerous in regards to our public health and as well as to our climate.